Don't let your learners scramble through a maze. Simplify complex material to activate learning. Here is how you can do it. Design consistent visual experiences. This establishes predictable rhythms in the learning flow, preventing cognitive overload. Predict where a learner can get stuck, and provide support. In this example, 3 support tools are used repeatedly to clarify complex information. Put the learner in control. Where possible, allow learners to navigate freely through content. Trust the user to complete all learning activities. And if they don't, your LMS will tell you. When free navigation is not possible, make sequential navigation fun. Need advice about targeted learning design? Contact us.